Right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my student.
Salam, sir.
Waalaikumsalam. Hello, sir.
Waalaikumsalam.
Salam, sir.
Is everyone alright? Especially you, Shaki. Are you alright?
Yes,
Right.
I'm all
So
good.
right. So Alhamdulillah. So right now, before we start our class, I would like to ask our class rep, Harry. Is everyone here?
Yes, sir. Everyone is here.
All right. So we should continue our class. All right. Okay. So in order to get a barakah in our lessons, as usual, I would like to invite Ustaz Shakir. Can you please recite the dua for us?
Yes, sir. I'm ready for you. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اللهم افتح علينا نعمتك وانشر علينا من خزائن رحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. آمين.
Amin, ya Rabbal Alameen. Alright, so let's get this down to our business. Alright, so basically, what we are going to learn today is a chapter 4, which is a continuous lesson from last week, which is about the polygon. So last week, you had learned about how to identify regular polygon and irregular polygon. Do you guys still remember it?
A little bit.
Later, alright, later I will test you. Right, so for today's lesson, you will learn about how to calculate a total sum of interior angle and how to calculate total sum of exterior angle. Alright, so the learning objective. The first objective that you're going to learn is, given a formula for sum of interior angles and exterior angles, the student should be able, which is you, should be able to calculate the sum of interior angles and exterior angle of a polygon with 100% of accuracy when given the number of sides. Second objective, the student should be able to solve the complex questions that combine both interior and exterior angle with 80% accuracy when given both formula. So, right now, I will play a video which is a recap from the class last week to test you guys. Either you guys still remember what you had learned last week, right? So, let's see.
God comes from the Greek word.
You guys can hear it? Is the sound okay?
A triangle has three sides. Three angles based on straight lines. You see triangles all the time. A triangle has three sides. A quadrilateral has four sides. And four angles based on straight lines. A good example is a speed limit sign. A quadrilateral has four sides. A pentagon has five sides. And five angles made from straight lines. The pentagon building might come to mind. A pentagon has five sides. A hexagon has six sides. And six angles made from straight lines. X and six have an X. A hexagon has six sides. A heptagon has seven sides. And seven angles made from straight lines. The word hepta means seven. A heptagon has seven sides. An octagon has eight sides. And eight angles made from straight lines. A good example is a stop sign. An octagon has eight.
Alright, so basically that video is actually tells you about how we're gonna know the names of the polygon. Alright, so I want to ask Iqbal, what is the first thought that when I say about, or when I ask about the polygon?
It's a shape.
It is shape. Shakir, what is the first thing that come up to your mind when I said about polygon to you?
It's a shape too.
It is shape too. Alright, it's a great answer. But actually, a polygon is a closed shape with a straight side. Alright. So in order to test you guys, if you guys still remember what you had learned last week, so I'm gonna ask. Alright, Harry, can you help me? What is the name of this polygon and why is it so?
I think it is a hexagon, sir, because it has six sides. Is it correct, sir?
Right. Yes, of course. It is called a hexagon. Why? Because it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right. So I want to ask Daniel, what is the name of this shape? And why you say so?
I think that shape is called pentagon.
Pentagon, why?
It has 5 sides.
5 sides, great. It is called pentagon because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. All right. So it says that you guys remember what you had learned last week. So it is actually great. So let's get down to our real business. All right. So basically, on today's lesson, you're gonna learn about to calculate sum of all interior angle and each interior angle. So the first formula said n minus 2 times 180 degree. Does everyone know what is the n stands for? Harry, Shakir?
Maybe
It's
number of
side.
side.
Yes, correct. So n stands for the number of side. All right, so the formula to calculate all interior angle is n minus 2 times 180. And to calculate the each interior angle, the formula is n minus 2 times 180 divided by n, which is divided by sides. All right, in order to know that you guys understand what I'm trying to teach, Harry, can you help me for the first question? Calculate sum of all interior angle and each interior angle. So here we calculate the sum. So here is each. This is the first formula. This is the second formula. All right. So Harry, to calculate sum, can you help me?
Yes, sir.
All right. So for this shape, what is the value of size?
It have 5 sides.
Good. So for the formula, which one we should use?
Maybe we can use n minus 2 sideways 180.
Yeah. Why we use that? Because we want to find sum of all interior angle, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So the n is 5 minus by 2 times 180. So the answer is, Harry?
540.
540.
40.
All right. So Shakir,
Yes, sir.
can you help me with this question to find each interior angle?
Yes.
Yes, right. So obviously the side is same, right? So the formula, which one we should use? The first one or the second one?
The second one, of course.
Why? Because we want to find?
Each interior angle.
Yeah, so m minus 2 times 180, right? Shakir?
Yes.
Divide by 3 or 5?
5.
5. So the answer is?
108.
108. So correct. Alhamdulillah. It seems that you guys really understand about that. Right. So our next business is to find the exterior angle. So basically, what is the interior angle and what is the exterior angle? So I give you an example. Right. When you have a square like this, the interior angle, so it is in, so it is inside, it is the angle inside. Exterior angle, which is outside this shape. Here, so it is the exterior angle. All right, so the formula that we need to know, that you guys need to know is the first one, 360 divided by n, which is n is equal to what, Shakir?
Number of side.
Number of side, great. So it have a two formula. The second formula is 180 minus interior angle. And the fact that you need to know the sum of all exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees. Do you guys understand? Iqbal, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. So alhamdulillah. All right. You need to know that you give a clap. Yes. Okay. So you need to know that if you really understand what I teach is now. All right. So Iqbal, can you help me with this question? Iqbal,
Can you repeat, sir?
can you help me to solve this question?
Yes.
Yes. All right. This is the first one. The second formula.
It's a
All right,
pentagon.
Iqbal.
It's a pentagon. It contains 5 sides.
5 sides. Great. The formula, Iqbal?
The
Which one do you
formula
use?
is, 360 over
Right.
5.
Over 5. So the answer?
The answer is 72.
72. Great. Wow. Give a big clap for Iqbal. Alright. So, Henry, can you help me again?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, obviously, the side is seems right. It is 5. So, Harry, just now Iqbal had used the first formula. So, you will use the second formula, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, second formula is 180 minus entry angle.
70, 72,
What?
right?
Entry angle of polygon. Like we calculate just now. Yeah. This is right. This is the each interior angle of a pentagon. So the formula is 180 minus my interior angle of pentagon. So here is the exterior angle. Right, Harry?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we minus by 108. So the answer is
We will get 72.
72. So that's the proof when you can use both formula. You can get the same answer. Alright, so it's time for you guys to show your talent here. So it is actually time for quiz. So I hope you guys can scan the QR code and we did this quiz together. Alright? So I hope you guys can read and wait. Right. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna do the quiz together, right? So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All right. For the first question, I want to ask Harry. What is the answer of this question? Harry? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you okay? What is the answer of this question?
Wait, I am trying to calculate first.
There is a time there, Harry. The time is up.
Maybe Iqbal can answer, sir.
All right. So let's try. Iqbal.
Then want to answer, sir.
All right.
I think the answer is 60. Sir.
60. All right. It's good. All right. Harry, are you there? Are you still there?
Yes, sir.
All right. So can you help me answer the question?
Yes, sir. I tried to calculate.
All right. We give time for Harry, right?
I think the answer 1080, sir.
10. Are you sure? Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So here is it's not a complex question lah. It is actually an easy one. So I want all of you guys to calculate this, and if you guys had the answer, just let me know, right? All right. So I will remember. I will give a simple tips. The first one, interior angle
Shaki
one,
want
which
to
is
answer?
Shaki want to answer. Shaki,
Okay.
you are so fast, right? Shaki,
Yes.
what is the answer?
I think 140 and 40.
104. What?
140.
140 and 40. Are you
Yes.
sure?
Yes.
I think the orange one.
Yes.
Yes. 144 and
Shaki.
36.
It seems like he really understands, but the answer is not correct. Shaki.
It's okay, sir.
Right, you learn from mistakes, right?
Yeah.
All right, so for that question, Shaki had it wrong, right? So we will do it together, right? So for the first question, calculate the size of one interior angle. All right, so Shaki, for the first question, which formula you want to use?
And minus
n minus 2
times
Times?
180.
180.
Yes.
That's it.
Over
Are you sure?
n.
Over.
N.
And so this is formula for
Interior angle.
each interior angle.
Oh, yes.
All right. So just now it is a 10 side. So 10 minus by 2 times 180 divided by 10. So the answer is Shaki. Can you calculate?
144, sir.
What, Harry?
144.
144 is a great answer. So I hope Shaki can pay a lot of attention. All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so the second question, calculate the size of one extra angle. So I'm going to ask Iqbal, which formula do you want to use? You have one interior
Then
angle.
want to answer, sir. But
Then want to answer?
But we use the same formula like that, but we don't have this over, right? We need to use the 360, right?
Yes, one extra angle. Or you can use, because this one you have each and interior angle. So you also can use 180 degrees minus by interior angles, right? To find extra angles.
Yes.
Yeah, so minus 144. So the answer is equal. Or then,
Sir,
what then?
36, sir.
36.
Yes, correct.
Right. So is the correct answer. Because the answer is 144 and 36. Okay. Right, Alhamdulillah. So for summary, basically you have a four formula that you need to remember. So under interior angles, the first formula is to find each interior angle, which is n minus 2 times by 180 over n. This is for to calculate each interior angles. So second, to calculate sum of all interior angle, which is we don't need to divide by the number of sides, which is the formula n minus by 2 times 180. Right, so the formula for extra angle, Harry, do you still remember?
I think we can use 118 minus V interior angle, sir.
Yes, correct. 180 minus interior angles. The other one, Shaki, do you still remember?
I don't really remember,
You
sir.
don't remember, or you don't pay attention to my class? The second formula is 360 divided by the number of sides. Alright, so I think that's all for my class today, but this is a homework for you guys, which is, it is a self-practice 4.2 from your textbooks, question 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So the due date of this assessment is our next class, which is tomorrow lah. So I hope you guys can submit this task. Alright, so I think that's all from our class. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye.